this is very amazing and beautiful also today on the 25th of April 2023. We have Töölöntullinkatu, Töölöntullinkatu 7. The only stick is in this building. There's only the stick say, no more. And this was built in 1938 by granddaughters, very beautiful, turning 85 years old this year, 2023. And we're going to take 3 lights here. And this zebra is AF587, with 6 floors. Really beautiful, all space back there this year, 2023. Stop it.
Yeah.
Careful. And beautiful chrome to now we need to turn the lights upstairs. I can't turn them on.
Yeah.
This is not that door.
Yeah.
Sometimes they have these kinds of doorbells. Okay.
Inspected by Inspected, maintained by Sponhissi. But do you think the machine is original? Yeah, yes.
I'll turn the lights on again. They have to be switched on. It's better when we see better outside.
Yeah.
Well, this is really amazing then. And then this is also currently one of the very best ones in Töölö.
Yeah.
So thank you very much for watching and I hope you enjoy this later as much as we did. So that's amazing. That's very beautiful doors.
That's